Hello. Hey, during our live streaming, we were trying to create the LazyFrame command, the command that will toggle all of your frames on and off quickly, and we failed. So this is a quick short video on how to do it correctly. So simply type CUI, and here let's find the regular frame command, and let's right click on it and click duplicate. So here I'm gonna rename LazyFrame, and then for before we doing anything, we're gonna click and drag it all the way up, holding it over here on the quick property panel, on the quick access panel. So finally, we're gonna change the macro code to the correct code, right? And the correct code is this. So once we have the correct code for the lazy frame command, let's simply click OK, apply, and then click OK. So let's test it. So we have a wipeout here, an image over here, an Oli object, and finally an xclip. And if we go and use our lazy frame command and click on it, you can see that all of your frames are off. And then if you click again, all of your frames are off. Awesome.